Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you how to add Apple Pay to Presto app. Before adding Apple Pay to the Presto app, ensure that you have set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. You can do this by going to the Wallet and Apple Pay section in your device's setting app and following the prompts to add your credit or debit card to Apple Pay. Launch the Presto app on your iPhone or other compatible Apple device. Navigate to the payment settings within the Presto app. This may be located in the app settings menu or within the payment or account management section. Then look for an option to add a payment method within the Presto app. This is where you will be able to add Apple Pay as a payment option. Select Apple Pay as the payment method you want to add the Presto app. Follow the prompts to authorize the addition of Apple Pay to Presto app using Face ID, Touch ID or your device passcode. And that's how you can add Apple Pay to Presto app.